Hello student, once again welcome back in Krishna classes. Today I am gonna tell about the Daniell cell. This is the topic of chapter 2 of class 12th. The name of the chapter is electrochemistry. So what is the electrochemistry and introduction of electrochemistry? All topics of chapter 1 you have to watch my all previous videos which are available on my channel Krishna classes. So for detailed knowledge, first you have to subscribe my channel Krishna classes and press the like button. Then start today's class. What is the today's class? Daniell cell. Here we take two beaker or two container. In first, zinc rod is deep into the salt of which? Salt of zinc, and in this container copper rod has taken which are deep into the copper salt and zinc rod deep into the zinc salt. So here two containers have taken, and first rod is zinc rod which are dipped into the zinc sulfate solution, means salt of zinc, and second one is the copper rod which are dipped into the copper salt, it means copper sulfate solutions. So what happened here? Flow of electron. This is the flow of electron. On zinc rod electron flow and going on copper rod, and here then what happened? Zn plus Cu dye positive converted into Zn dye positive plus Cu. Here copper is positive. When zinc on the zinc rod electron is flow towards the copper rod, then copper is converted in copper dye positive converted into copper, and zinc is converted into zinc dye positive. So this is the Daniell cell, and here when electron flow towards the copper rod, then electricity flow towards the zinc rod. It means the direction of current and direction of electron which they are the opposite to each other. It means electron flow in this direction, then current flow in that direction. This is the opposite to each other. Okay, so this is the Daniell cell, and here two electrodes and two container which are fulfilled with salt of their respectives, like zinc is dipped into zinc sulfate and copper is dipped into copper sulfates. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand this topic very well. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for the watching.